Okay, Wealth Empowerment, Karatbars members. So now that you are an affiliate, the very first thing you need to do is your KYC documents. You can order packages, you can order your MasterCard, you can order gold, you can do all of those things. Nothing's going to be sent to you until your KYC is done. So I want you to do your KYC first as step one. So now that you have your Karatbars affiliate account, you'll have all of these options across the top. Okay. And again, if you're not currently on the dashboard, dashboard can be found under general or by simply clicking on the general button. Now go to step two that's down here below that says upload your KYC documents now. Our team currently has, we now have KYC documents that are being approved and support 24 hours. So if you're having issues getting your KYC documents approved, please send me an email or a text message. A text message is preferred to Wealth Empowerment, to the Wealth Empowerment support text line. And that number is going to be on the site that you're watching this video from, or underneath this video if you're looking at it on YouTube, so that we can call in real time and get your KYC documents approved. Now, because Karatbars doesn't use your social security number, it does need to be able to identify you, right? So you basically need your government issued ID, either a walker's ID or your driver's license. I do believe your passport will also work. Okay. And secondly, uh, a bill that has been physically mailed to you. So your utility bills, which are electric, gas, cable, can't be older than 6 months, and it needs to clearly state your name, address. Don't send envelopes. Don't send screenshots, or you can't even do online bills. So when you get the online billing and you download that PDF, that's not going to work. You need something that has been physically mailed to you. If you don't have utility bills in your name and you are paperless with your banking system, go by the bank, ask them to print you something out that clearly has their letterhead and their address and your name and address on it. Your name and address does not have to match your ID, but the address that you've put into the system should match your utility bill that you're utilizing for proof of address. If you're doing a business, then you need to upload your articles of incorporation and evidence that the individual submitting it is authorized to do the transactions for the business. Okay, so now you're going to scroll down. It's going to ask you to select the type of document. There's only two. Let's see if I can find, going to browse and see if I can find Ariel's image here. Okay, so I was able to pull image, upload the chosen file. That file's been successfully uploaded, right? And now you're here and it'll show when you upload it, what type of document you uploaded, the file, and the status. If it is not approved, you will get an email that says it was not approved, and all you have to do is submit a new, more appropriate document. This usually takes 24 hours, depending on the time that you do it. And so the next thing now, I would select the address and do the same thing to pull in the documents. Again, if you get the message that your documents have been denied, they will show here where it's pending, it will say denied, and you will also get an email that says they've been denied. If you don't know what you should send, please send an email to Wealth Empowerment Tech Support so we can help you get your KYC documents approved as soon as possible so that you can then move forward with your Karatbars transactions.